Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off personalized ads on YouTube on iPhone. So if you want to turn off your personalized ads settings on your YouTube, so how you can do that on your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and this time what you have to do, you have to simply click on general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply close this page. And after closing this page, you have to simply open the app store here. So in the app store, you have to simply look for a YouTube, and here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after installing the YouTube update, you have to simply open the YouTube app and you have to simply click on that profile section, and here you have to simply click on settings. And here you have to simply look for manage all history, so you have to simply click on that. And after that, here you will find all of your history related to your YouTube app, like what kind of videos you watch, your likes, your interactions, and all these details. Now if you want to check for the personalized ad settings, you have to simply click on YouTube history, and after that you have to simply look for my ad center. So here you have to simply click on go to my ad center, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available. So here is the feature available if you want to turn off your personalized ads. So here you can simply turn it off. So if you want to turn it off, then you can simply do that. For this, you have to simply click on turn off, and after that your personalized ads will be turned off. So what kind of information will get from here? So you can information will not be used personalized, including your activity on Google sites. So in this way you can simply turn it off this setting. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.